Ka jingalangkan hun menteri ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance lani MDA2 ha ka shipho tarik unaitong arajar arpusan kala shim ya karai ba Donkam Shuh bandon ya ka personal interview kum kawai na ki exam ha ba khot Donkam grade D. Ha ba pentep ya kani ba polling do menteri badai kmi ya katanat social welfare but nong aiktien ka Sorkar MDA2 uloong ba kani ka jing bamteng Shuh kan long ya ha bat ka jing temu bakan don ka khoj ka suba ha ka Donkam tungjam. Ula benrap ruba la penteri kami ya kani karai kat kum ki kendon katanat personal and training Ministry of Personal, Public Grievances and Pension jong ka Sorkar India.
We will begin by announcing to you that the Cabinet today took up the matter of discontinuation of interview for Group D posts across the state. This proposed discontinuation of interview for Group D posts is in conformity with our well-established policy of ensuring maximum transparency in the recruitment process to various posts, beginning with Group D posts. This is also as part of our compliance to instructions of the Government of India in the Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Government of India. So, in line with this decision, all appointments for Group D posts will be done without recourse to the process of interview. This will take effect from the 1st of October 2025, meaning it will have a prospective effect, meaning that all such interviews that are scheduled from the 1st of October this year will be minus the need for the candidates to sit for personal interviews. This will also help to speed up our process of appointment and recruitment to various posts and ensure, as I mentioned, transparency and efficiency of the system.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
balehi banai kita
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya